Hi everyone, in this video of Qbasic series we are going to write our first Qbasic program, that is to print hello world. So let's get started. First we are going to write CLS. CLS stands for clear the screen. This command clears the previous output that is on the memory and provide us black screen. Just like in Flowchart, we start our flowchart with start. In Qbasic, every Qbasic program starts with CLS. And now print keyword and message inside double quote, that is hello world. This print syntax is used to give output. This end indicates that this is the end of the program, and now press F5 button or go to run and select start to execute this program. So our output is displayed here in black screen as you can see here, and press any key on your keyboard to go back to your program. That's all for today's video. In next video we are going to see about character set of Qbasic. So in our Telegram channel, Discord community for notes and help, and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Link is given in the description. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share our channel. Thank you for watching.